Hey everybody, I am making, and I know that this last one is being cut off, but I will move them as I work. I'm making coasters and a Shabbat candlestick holder. I will show you what I'm doing with that one. So it'll be got washers, so I'm gonna paint this. So you won't really see a whole lot of the paint. And voila! Shabbat candlestick holders. So that's what I'm gonna make with this. And so this is a tile. And I just taped up the back to keep it clean. These are 4x4 MDF squares. They're very light. They're nice. And those I'm going to resin all of them. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to resin the metal to it or glue it to it. I'm not really sure yet. So this will probably just be a quick little video. You can watch other videos to see how I mix my paint and whatnot. And I'm going to use Liquitex Light Blue Violet. So that's this. Artist Love Green Yellow. And Grumbacher Turquoise, which I added the iridescent to. And then this is just a self-mixed gray. So I'm going to do the candlestick one first, and then the others, because I think I might do a white negative space on the others. I'm not quite sure yet. Hopefully I have enough paint. Oh, and I added a little bit of the iridescent to the black. I forgot about that. So I'm just kind of folding it over itself in here. And there is no silicone because then it saves me from having to wash them before I resin them. So just a very simple pour. Where to set that? I mean, it really doesn't get any easier than that. I did not prep this tile in any way. I found there's really not too much of a need. I'm hoping you can see this. Use a little bit more. I'm just gonna. Super pretty. I am in love with this iridescent medium. So there you go. Very simple. I am going to just touch up the sides where it missed, and it will continue flowing off, leveling itself, I am sure. So I'm just going to move that back. The shape of it reminds me of a candy bar. Okay. Yeah. I don't want this on there. That's a little late. I just am not going to have enough paint for all of these. Yeah, looks like there's something. There's something in the other one. Well, I'll just have to make do. It'll just have more of I've got a lot of this green and of the purpley. So it'll just have a lot of that. I thought about adding white, but I'm not going to because sometimes the white, when you add it into the dirty pour, it ends up underneath all the other colors and just doesn't look that good. So, you know what? We're just gonna ribbon it, I think. More. Alright, that's all I've got for the black. Be tilting this off frame, so I apologize, but I don't want to tilt it onto the other ones. So that gray, the gray is kind of turning like a lavender. It's still pretty, very pretty. Just touching up edges. Do like that. Sometimes it's fun just to go back to the basics. Just do a ribbon pour. Big band of purple. Oh my gosh, you can see the iridescent medium in the turquoise. It is absolutely phenomenal. I highly suggest purchasing it if you can. It's Michael's brand. It's Artist Loft. And it's cheap. It's the same price as their paints. So sometimes when there's paints are on sale, for like $2, this stuff is $2. Oops, get rid of, there's a big blob of my dirty fingerprints in it. Oh my gosh, totally in love. Even though that one just doesn't quite look like the others. You know, it's a lot more. Oh, man. My glove dripped on this again. Well, maybe I'll tilt this one a little bit more so that it looks a little more pastel like the first one. And that way. There. Now I'm taking my gloves off. So yeah, so this one is definitely a little bit different. Look at, cells are popping up, black cells. So I will torch. Oh, what is that awfulness that just happened in this one? You know what? That'll be covered up by the washers. These are awesome. I'm happy with these. So, oh yeah, you can see all of them. Yeah, that first one definitely isn't quite like the others. It's even bigger. It's a little more blur. I love them so much. Maybe I should just do them as little individual paintings. Make little tiny floating frames for them. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.